So Pinterest is probably one of my favorite ways to curate information and share it with others, other than Diigo, which is another way that you can curate information. So on Pinterest, you can see that it already has some of my interests up, so like pins that I would be interested in. Um, yeah, there's a lot of interesting ones. Obviously, you can tell that we're doing poetry currently. So when you sign up for Pinterest and you put in all of your interests, your home screen will look just like that. But if I want to go onto my personal Pinterest page, I would go onto Madison, and you can see that I have all of my boards. So the boards allow me to select a topic and pin pins to my board. And then I can share my board out with others if I would like. So you can see I volunteer at a deaf camp over summer, so there's my middle deaf group. I have classroom organization, text features, word work. So it's a great way to curate information, and then I can share it with um, other people. So like collaborators, they can also add things then, and you can invite them. So that is just a very simple explanation of Pinterest, but once you get onto it and you explore it, you're going to find that it's super easy to use and it has ideas on anything and everything you could think of. And it's a great way to grow and develop your PLN.